Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain the POE app by Contra. So let's get started. The POE app gives you access to multiple advanced AI chatbots in one place. Think of GPT-4, Cloud AI, Gemini, and you can ask questions, compare response, or even try building your own bot. It's a strong pick if you want to explore AI model to create tasks or chat with bots in one interface. However, the app isn't without it flawless. Free user hit the point limit quickly, and the UI and the features lag behind some competitors. Also, you need to verify response since accuracy can vary. In my opinion, POE is worth using if you are cautious about AI chat experience and you're willing to accept some free trial and error. If you need rock solid reliability or fully free solution, you might wait or choose a different tools. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and make sure you subscribe for more review.